Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Nash. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap the bell on for the notifications so you'll get notified every time I post. So, for today's video, I am going to make a review. So, I bought a cosmetic glitter on Shopee. So, ito siya. It's here. So, it has nalaglag. It has 16 colors. So, parang, nasa na yung nalaglag. So, it's like this. So, parang, ayan, nakalagay siya sa maliliit na, how do I call this? Petri dish. Char. Nakalagay siya sa maliliit container, then it's cosmetic glitter. It has 16 colors. And it has different colors to cater any style I want. If I want rainbow eyeshadow or just the normal ones. Kasi my black, my silver, my gold, and my brown. So, it's just loose glitter. So, I will try to make a way for it to stick on my eyelids. And let's see if how cute is this cosmetic glitter I bought on Shopee. It's less than 200 as far as I remember. So, if you want to know more about the glitter I bought, let's get into the video. Bye! Oh my god, guys. Tinry ko siya sa aking first eye before teaching you how I did it. Kasi parang it's just gonna be like a look also with the glitter eyeshadow. So, this is what happened dun sa first eye. My god, ang ganda niya. Pwedeng-pwede na. So, I really like it. So, it's loose glitter. I did some experiments on how I attached it here. So, let's go into the other video para makita nyo kung paano ko siya ginawa. I'm gonna make a tutorial on this eye look. So, see you! So, the first thing I'm going to do is to prime my eyes using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Next is I'm going to set the concealer with my loose powder. Make sure that everything is all set so that it won't crease kasi the glitter eyeshadow is like yung permanent na parang nakastick siya dun. So, if there is creasing na nangyari, sobrang halata no creasing. And hindi na siya ma-repair pa. So, make sure it's very nakaset talaga. So, first we're going to start off with the transition shade. I'm going to use this light brown transition shade from my Makeup Forever palette and use this small blending brush. So, I'm going to cover yung hanggang sa ibabaw ng crease. After that, I'm going to use this bigger blending brush and use the darker shade, yung black, and mix it with this brown shade para magkaroon ng darker effect yung outer corner of the eye. So, pack it lang talaga para pigment siya because we're going to make this look smoky and very dramatic. So, next I'm going to use this small pencil brush to create the transition effect na parang dark to light with also the combination of that two colors. So now I'm done creating the smoky effect. I'm going to cut the crease, pero half cut crease lang siya. So the inner part lang, ito lang. Not this. For cutting the crease, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer and a flat concealer brush. So make sure it's just the half of the eye, so ito lang. And not up to the part where you build the dark smoky outer corner. And then using a blending brush, I'm going to set yung concealer with the light shade. And then I'm going to add like yung shimmer lang na shadow para may background siya ng shimmer. So if ever mag-fall out dahil hindi pa tested yung pinanggamit ko pandikit, at least there will be, you know, an effect pa rin. The next is the shimmer shade. Packed it at the center also. Actually, if wala kang glitter, you're good to go with that. But if you want to be extra, then use the glitter. Next is, do not forget to put shimmer on the inner corners of your eye. So for the under eye, I'm just going to use the brushes na ginamit ko kanina, parang ikalat lang yung mga colors, but not really to put intense color. And then I will line my eye with a dark eyeshadow shade. Using the small brush, I'm going to use the black eyeshadow to line my under eye. So, here comes the fun part. Wala kasi ako nabiling glitter glue. So, na-realize ko na lang na, oh my god, loose glitter nga pala yung binili ko. So, what am I going to use to stick it sa aking eyelids? So, I found a bright idea. And what I'm going to use is, my eyelash glue. Kasi I don't use eyelash glue naman dahil my permanent there. So, ito, tinry ko lang siya, as in first try, and then it became like this. So, with this brush, I'm going to use that to apply the glue on my eyelids. Just a little drop lang. Konti lang. Oh my god, konti lang. Tapos ang dami ko na ilagay. Balik natin siya sa loob. Sip. Tapos, dun, so, what I'm going to do is, yun lang, may shimmer part lang ang lalagyan ko ng glue, no? Kasi yun lang naman yung gusto nating may kinang. Not all. So, ano lang yung may shimmer part. Dun lang kakabit yung glitter. So, next is get the cosmetic glitter and dip the brush na may glue and dab. Put glitter as much as you want. Kung gaano gusto nyo kakapal yung glitter or kung anong glitter. So, for me, I use the brown glitter for it to match the look. And parang neutral lang din siya with a side of extra. Diba? So, let it set first. Let it dry for a moment, and while it's drying, put your liquid eyeliner. So, once you're done putting the cosmetic glitter, make sure to intensify the smoky part again of your eyelids. So, I'm going to use the dark shade again and mix it with a browner shade para makita pa rin yung transition na nagiging dark na siya sa dulo. Remember, the more dramatic, the more mukhang mas mayaman. Okay. So, that's it, you guys. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Parang gusto ko na ang maura. And magdamit-damit outside. Oh my god, it's so nice. Grabe, parang siyang Instagram style. Poop. It's so nice. It's so nice. So nice. So, for me, it's a 10 out of 10. Just make sure, don't put it inside your eyes dahil baka masakit. I haven't tried it. And boom. So nice. Yes, I like it so much. Ito nga pala yung ginamit kong color. The dark brown. Pwede rin dyan yung gold, yung silver, anything you want. Well, if you want purple smoky, then put the purple glitter there, diba? If you can buy it, then flaunt it. So, Shopee cosmetic glitter, 10 out of 10. Bye!